Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to add an animated background to your Shopify store. Let's get started. For step 1, let's choose your animated background. Before we do anything inside Shopify, go ahead and search online for an animated background pattern, preferably a GIF file. Why GIF? Because GIFs loop seamlessly and they're lightweight enough to work well as backgrounds. Once you find the perfect one, right-click on it and select Copy Link Address. Save that link for later. For the next step, access your Shopify theme code. Now go to your Shopify dashboard, head to Online Store, click Themes, scroll down, then click the three dots next to your current theme. Choose Edit Code. Don't worry, you won't need to write any code. I will leave the full code snippet in the description for you. For the next step, paste the custom code. Once inside the code editor, on the left sidebar, open the Assets folder, find and click on the file named base.css. Type in base, click the base.css, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and at the last number, hit enter. Go to the link provided at the description, copy it, go back to your Shopify, paste it, go to your GIF, copy the image address, go back to your Shopify. Here, look for the part that says GIF URL. Replace that with the link to your animated GIF that you copied earlier. Now, after pasting the code and updating the GIF link, click Save. After that, go back to your Shopify store, click View Your Store, and you should now see your animated background in action. If your background doesn't show clearly, it might be because your theme has a background color blocking it. Here's how to fix that. Go to Online Store, click Customize, click on Theme Settings, then click on Colors. For the background color, click Scheme 1, click the background color, delete the color, and update the text buttons and other elements as needed. Let's remove the photo that's blocking the GIF. Then go to the specific section you wanted the background to show and change the color scheme to the one you just created. And that's it. And there you have it, a fully working animated background for your Shopify store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.